Good afternoon, folks. Welcome to another edition of Cooking with Relish. Today we are going to make a curry with some of the vegetables that are coming in your produce box this week. Let's take a look at our ingredients here. We have chicken stock, coconut milk, chicken, basil, onion, bell pepper, jalapeno, celery, carrot, cilantro, red curry paste, lime juice, and fish sauce. This is fish sauce. You can find it in the Asian section of the supermarket in small bottles, or you can find it at an Asian store in big bottles like this. A former colleague of mine refers to it as jar of ass. It does not taste good straight, but it is a very important ingredient in curries. Now, we're going to start by lightly sauteing all of our vegetables. We're going to add the hard ones first. So, onion, carrot, celery. I'm going to put a little bit of salt, not very much, to help them start to soften. Once your firmer vegetables start to soften up, we're going to add the other vegetables and we're going to add the liquid. Bell pepper, jalapeno, coconut milk, chicken stock. We're going to let this come up to a simmer, and we're going to simmer it for about 5 or 10 minutes until the vegetables are cooked through. So we just added the chicken. Chicken sliced nice and thin, so it'll cook really, really quickly when you get it broken up in that liquid. Really only takes a minute once that chicken's cooked all the way through. We're going to go ahead and finish it up. We're going to finish it by adding about 2 tablespoons of lime juice and 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Stir it in. At this point, we're going to go ahead and turn the heat off. And we're going to add our cilantro and our basil. Stir your herbs in very gently. And you've got a nice red curry. Good to go. Served over rice. A very nice summer dish.